feel nauseous,
क्यों
believe
का
me.
हवा का आया?
Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to
Get down,
rise
get
up
down,
just
guys,
so
get
they
down.
could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. What was left over, I
कैसा
put
लगा
towards my
सबको?
dreaming.
Welcome.
Are the things you gotta work for, believe me.
Hello guys, so let's have some fun with the snow.
Your own hands can land your own brand and damn.
Cheating
I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility.
8,550 feet, boss.
But in the hours it
Hello guys, welcome to BONG VOYAGER. Going through my old archives, I just hit on the folder that contains the river rafting videos from my Manali trips that I went with my friends a couple of years back.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
River rafting in Manali is one adrenaline pumping recreation that draws adventure seekers from all over the country. A thrilling experience awaits you as you embark upon the meandering course of the Beas River. The stunning scenery flanked on both sides of the river is another spectacle to behold while you maneuver your raft along the calm waters. Manali rafting can be easily opted for by newbies also, and if you have been longing to indulge in some exciting exploits, then here is the golden chance. Manali happens to be one of the safest zones for river rafting, as skilled rafting guides will accompany you on your journey. At adorable rafting passages, enjoy the scenery, the serenity of the mountains, and the splendor of the cascading river, promising a memorable experience for all adventurers and travelers. This sport is a must try for all. Guys, before going forward, it's my benevolent request to all of you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also to hit the bell icon to get further updates. कृपया करके इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए सारे वीडियो, और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दीजिए. The overall cost for the river rafting in the Beas River at Manali is around 1500 to 2000 rupees based on your negotiations with the organizers. The river rafting in Manali is usually clubbed into various packages, including overnight accommodations, food and a few other sports. Tented accommodations on riverbank are the star attractions in the name of river camping and river rafting. Safety measures. There are abundant rafting offices located in the Kullu Valley. Not only does one get to wear all the safety gear on site, the respective rafting authorities also hire only trained professionals who have full knowledge of handling emergency situations. You will also be given proper instructions of what to do and how to overcome the problem in case you encounter any. Just make sure you are wearing comfortable clothes in order to enjoy better, and keep wearing the safety gear until you are off the boat. Things to carry for rafting. There are certain things that are allowed and are also a must during your rafting experience. Camera, a must. Medicines, valid ID proof, water bottle, shoes and chappals, extra set of clothes, waist pouch and Swiss knife. Now that there is no confusion, let's get down to Manali's scene of river rafting. In Himachal, there are 4 rivers that offers opportunities for rafting: Beas, Chenab, Satluj and Ravi. Manali rafting is usually classified in 6 categories on the basis of difficulty level. Beas happens to have the most ideal waters for different forms of rafting. The river has its origin in the Rohtang Pass and it places Kullu Valley on its way down. With the right kind of stability over a stretch of 20 km in Manali, the waters of Beas River thus become one of the most ideal rafting options in North India. Best time to visit Manali for rafting. With the most ideal currents settings in Beas River, Manali rafting is done almost all through the year. It is only during the extreme winter months and months of heavy rainfall that the activities in the river are restricted. The best of the river rafting in Manali happens in June and July. Monsoon does restrict if for a couple of months, and it restarts by late October and goes on till early February. अनफॉर्चुनेटली दोस्तों, जिस टाइम में मैं मनाली घूमने गया था, आई वॉज नॉट दैट मच इन टू ट्रैवल व्लॉगिंग. सो मेरे पास उतना वीडियो नहीं है ऑन माई ट्रैवल व्लॉग, बट लकीली आई शूटेड फ्यू वीडियोज़ फ्रॉम माई रिवर क्रॉसिंग एक्टिविटी. एंड जब आप रिवर राफ्टिंग करते हो तो एज ए डील दे गिव यू all the footages of the river rafting through GoPro camera, and that becomes part of this video today. So next time if I am planning a Manali trip, definitely a travel vlog, a detailed travel vlog awaits all of you. बट दोस्तों, मैं फिर से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ, मेरे वीडियोस में व्यू तो आता है बट सब्सक्रिप्शन इज़ नॉट एट पार. सो माई रिक्वेस्ट, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This will encourage me to prepare more videos like this and present to you. First things first, so white water is same as river water but with a tinge of froth formed in it due to the rapid flow of water. The river water appears white as the current gets aerated and bubbly. This must clear the confusion for you that both river rafting and white water rafting are basically the same. So ये अलग अलग नाम दिया गया है but basically it's the same meaning of the activity. River rafting at the Beas River was one of the most anticipated and one of the most famous activities that one should definitely do if you are going to visit Manali. And I did that with all of my friends. Along with that, मैंने और एक adventure में भी हिस्सा लिया था, that is basically crossing the Beas River using a rope. So that is also quite mind-boggling, at the same time quite adventurous. Manali has always been a hotshot travel destination for everyone all through the year in the north of India. Skiing, paragliding, snowboarding, snow surfing, and ice skating have been the primary attractions of Manali. However, only a few know that Manali also possesses some of the best rafting stretches, and trust us, they are among the best in the mountains of India. So if you have got a bunch of adventurous friends, my suggestion, head to the mountains. This is all from this vlog. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and as usual, keep rocking. And hang on, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and also press the bell icon to get further notifications from this channel.